Welcome to my next video. Here I am again. This has been recorded right after my unboxing video because I have a lot of additional content prepared. I have a lot of modifications planned for this new rifle. I've been well prepared for this, for the arrival of this, since I already have the little sister, the MR308. I've had it for a while and I already know what upgrades I want to be doing for the big battle rifle here. And two of the most important upgrades for my purposes are a different grip, and fortunately these Heckler Koch MR series rifles are compatible with AR-15 grips and Magpul grips, and I'm a big fan of the Magpul MIAD grip, the mission adjustable grip. It is kind of affordable compared to an original Heckler Koch upgrade grip, and you can make it fit larger hands, so that's great. And on the other hand, one thing that is surprisingly affordable for this rifle is the new shoulder stock. This is the official Heckler Koch shoulder stock for the G28. The G28 is the one of the military versions of this rifle. The G28 is actually, like, as far as I understood it, the G28 it's a DMR sniper rifle the German army uses. And it's not actually based on the H&K 417, but it is more based on the MR308. So a MR308 upped to military standards again, probably a couple of steel instead of aluminum here, and they put in this improved shoulder stock, which is super neat. And believe it or not, but this original H&K shoulder stock cost me something like, well, it cost me less than 300 euros, which is a steal for something this big from Heckler Koch. I think 280 euros or something like that. I got a good price. It was in stock in the German distributor. Was very happy. Changing the changing the shoulder stock is super easy. You push in. It took me a while to figure this out. I had to watch a couple of YouTube videos. You push this in, and you lift, like you get your finger under here, lift it up, and then you can pull it all the way off. Nothing else is required. So this one, I'm gonna save it. Don't know if this one is compatible with the 223. I don't think so. It looks like the buffer tube is a bit bigger. So here we go. That is a very nice shoulder stock, and if you look at it, the chest piece actually remains stationary while the shoulder part is moving, and you can then I think you can fine tune the length of pull here. How did that go? Here we go. Add some more length there. Yeah, overall a very nice stock. I'm happy with this stock. I mean, I would have preferred maybe one or the other third-party stock. Magpul makes some nice stocks. I'm not a huge expert on accessories here, but well, I'm happy I can get like a stock like this for my rifle with a riseable chest piece in a very nice solution to prevent a riseable chest piece from colliding with the charging handle, because you are going to find out the chest piece stays just clear of the charging handle. And of course, before we do anything else with the rifle, chamber is empty, and taking the magazine out, magazine's also empty. Closing. So it's on safe. You can put the Heckler Koch models on safe on on an uncocked hammer. And second thing, I want to swap out the grip. Okay, so here's the grip. I want to make sure I am putting the B2, B3, B1. Okay, let me see. I think Oh, yeah, wait. Oh, where's the instructions? Here's the instructions. Cut dotted lines for the instructions. Definitely not going to be returning this. Okay. Oh. Yep. I need a screwdriver here to first open this up. Got a little storage compartment down here. Put some lube in here, and which way does it move? Oh yeah, it moves towards the bottom. So there we go. Okay, let's see which one is a big. Oh yeah. So they had like the medium option attached, and I want the maximum option here. I'm okay with the finger groove here. I love the customizability of this, especially if you have larger hands. I think this is a great option to kind of play a little bit with the dimensions of the grip. Okay, removing the grip. Let me see. Ideally, I can find a Torx driver that is gonna get in there. What's that? 30, probably a 25. That's a 27. Because I don't think. Oh wait, I think I do have. I think I upped my my hex wrench game recently, especially after getting into firearms. You need a lot of different hex wrenches, which are just a tad bit too short. Gotta find the 27. Oh no, I gotta find the 25. And I think, no, that's the 20. Let's try the 20. Nope. It's gotta be the 25. There it is. Okay, if this one doesn't work, I really need a hex key. Oh, it works. So, there's a little screw. You gotta be careful when you remove the handguard, because it holds a spring for the safety. I think this is part of the whole AR-15 design, so I don't think this is something special. See, there you go. There's the spring right here. So be careful to not lose this. See, because now the safety is just without tactility. And that is the spring that is actually providing the tactility. So I'm gonna save this. And oh, what a coincidence. It's got a little hole here just for that spring. So gonna move this one. Whoa. Yep. thought of that. Off it goes. And I also think the Magpul MIAD grip, it changes the grip angle just a little bit. When I attached this to my MR308, my first impression was that I was getting a better finger position on my trigger. See, it's a good check to make sure the spring is back in place. So now it's easier for me. Let's check the chamber again when I'm playing with the trigger. Chamber is empty. So the grip sets my hand back a little further, especially with this the B3 inlet here. So it helps me get the tip of my finger on the trigger a little bit better, and I get a more controlled trigger pull. There we go. Very nice. Okay, let's wrap things up here. Oh, damn. Came with its own screw. I don't feel like this is necessary. If this trigger, if this handguard, if this grip ever comes loose, I have to remember to use the screw it came with. But since I will not be using this rifle in service anywhere, this is something that can always be fixed on another day. So far, I think the original screw is going to be fine. Okay, that's it. I can already tell you that I really love the grip because I have it on a very similar rifle, and yeah, this is just a must upgrade for me for this rifle, because the original grip is more intended for small to average hands, and this one adds support to longer fingers, so you get a more comfortable reach to the. See, I can just get my hand in there and comfortably put the tip of my finger on the trigger. Very happy with that. Okay, thanks very much for watching. The next video will be about changing the muzzle device, aka the flash hider, and replacing the gas block. This is a big one.